Okay, when you run the machine, the first step to set the standard focus distance. The distance is from the surface of the marking to the middle line of the laser head. The size is around 209 mm. And then we come to the software screen. First, you need to draw a square, and the size is there. You could adjust it according to your requirement. X axis stands for width, Y stands for height. And then the light F1 to see the correct position of the red light. And then you also can use the keyboard to move the red. Yes. Can move the red rectangle. Okay, if the position is correct, then stop the light and to the mark. This is the first step for how to set focal distance and how to find the correct positions.